How to recover Coinbase login. In order to recover your Coinbase login, what you want to do is, first thing first, you want to go to the home page. There you can navigate to sign in page and select forgot password to receive a reset link by email. And if you cannot access your authenticator app or SMS, you must go through the identity verification process, which includes submitting a photo ID as well. And likewise, you will need to contact a Coinbase to regain your access as well. If that's not the case, what you could also do is, after successfully recovering your account, you could send funds. Sending funds may be disabled for 24 hours as well. And likewise, you could simply go ahead and tap onto the forgot password, enter in your information. In some cases, you might be asked to type in your secret phrase as well. If you are unable to provide that, you could then directly contact support, let them know about it, and they will be able to help you out. So this is how you're supposed to recover Coinbase login. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in a next video.